Here at 5, coming next November, South Dakota voters could potentially see two measures seeking to legalize recreational marijuana on the ballot. The Attorney General's office released a draft explanation today on the proposal. It is sponsored by Rapid City resident Emmett Reistroffer. It would allow people 21 and older to possess up to 3 ounces of the drug and grow up to 6 plants. Unlike a separate initiative filed earlier this year, this proposal would create dual-use licenses for medical marijuana dispensaries. The measure would require over 17,000 signatures to qualify for the 2024 general election ballot.